So this GPS is very familiar to you, and nowadays this GPS technology is used in mainly in vehicles and also for traffic analysis, etc. Okay. So in your mobile phone also you can use this GPS technology in order to find the location of different objects. So if you want to find out the latitude and longitude of any point, that is spatial point, that is any object on Earth's surface, we can use this GPS technology. That is, the GPS device, whether it is mobile phone or any other device, can be operated at that point, and we can find the latitude and longitude of that object. Okay. So in this module we can study how we are locating or how we are finding out the location characteristics of these points, and what is the principle behind this GPS technology, and what are the different components of GPS technology. So first one, this global navigation satellite system, that is GNSS. So this satellite navigation system, it uses satellites to provide autonomous geospatial positioning. So in order to find out the geospatial positioning, or in order to find out the location characteristics of any spatial object, we are using satellites. So the satellites navigation system is used for finding out this location data. Okay. And the satellite navigation system with global coverage may be termed as global navigation satellite system. That is, there will be satellite navigation system and it will be having global coverage, that is, it can cover our global area. So this is also known as global navigation satellite system, GNSS. And this allows, that is, global navigation satellite system GNSS allows small electronic receivers to determine their location. Location means latitude, longitude, altitude or elevation. So these are the location data which can be collected using our GPS device. Okay. Then various global navigation systems. There are so much navigation system which is developed by different country, and they are, first one, Navstar GPS, which is developed by USA. Okay. This is one of the GPS technology, global navigation system, which is developed by USA, that is Navstar. Then GLONASS, which is developed by Russia. Then Galileo by European Union. Then Gagan, that is GPS aided geo augmented navigation, and also Indian Regional Satellite Navigation System, IRNSS. Okay, so these are the various global navigation system which is existing. So many are also developing. Global Positioning System, or GPS. So GPS is a satellite based navigation system which is developed by US Department of Defense. It is high precise positioning system, that is, by using this GPS technology we can precisely locate, or we can precisely find out the location characteristics of any object. Okay, so it is high precise positioning system. And the shortened form of Navstar GPS, that is it is navigation system with time and ranging, global positioning system. So that is GPS. Shortened form of Navstar GPS is known as GPS, or global positioning system, that is navigation system with time and ranging, that is Navstar, navigation system with time and ranging. And global positioning system, and this system will provide accuracy and flexibility in navigation, surveying and GIS data collection. So we have studied what is GIS. So in order to do GIS analysis, we want data. So for this GIS data collection we are using GPS technology, that is, we have to find the location of different parameters. So for that location data we are using GPS system. So for GIS data collection also we are using GPS system, and this GPS provide accuracy and flexibility in navigation, surveying and GIS data collection. And for this GPS system there are 24 satellites. 24 satellites are used to obtain accurate position on Earth. That is, this is GPS technology. So around our Earth there will be 24 satellites which is rotating our Earth. Okay, so by using these 24 satellites we can find the precise location of any object on our Earth. Okay, so this GPS technology actually consists of 24 satellites, and these 24 satellites are used to obtain accurate position on Earth. And this GPS technology actually designed for military purpose, but later it is used for marine navigation, surveying, etc. Okay, originally it was designed for military purpose only, but later on it has so much application. And GPS technology, it is finding positional values accurately at any point on Earth's surface at any time and in all weather conditions. So that is one of the main important application of GPS technology, that is it can be applied at any time and in any weather condition. Okay, because 24 satellites are there, so if one satellite fails to locate this data due to some faulty weather condition extra, we can use other 23 satellites. So there are too much satellites, so if one have some failure due to some atmospheric condition or some time delay etc., other satellites will be working. So we can find the location at any time and in at any weather condition. So what is so this is one of the main advantage of our GPS system. Next we can look through what are the advantages of GPS. So I have told it is high position accuracy, that is the accuracy of this position, that is latitude, longitude, altitude etc., very high. Next is capability of obtaining velocity and time. We can find out the velocity and time using GPS technology, and this is possible by our 24 satellites. Then signal availability to users anywhere in globe. Okay, that is this availability of signal is anywhere on our globe, because there are 24 satellites. As I have told, if one satellite fails, other 23 are working. So it is the signal availability is everywhere in globe. Then positioning system with no user charges and low cost hardware. So here no user charge is there and it is a low cost hardware. Then it is all weather system, that is 24 hours working, and position information in 3 dimensions. You can obtain the information of position in all the 3 dimensions. So these are the advantages of GPS. And application, I have told it is actually it was developed for military purpose, so it is applied widely in military purpose. Then we are using this technology in order to locate points for marine navigation, and also surveying. Also we want to locate the points on our Earth, so for that we are using GPS technology. And also in the case of satellite images, if we want to find the points of that is, if we want to find the location of any point on our satellite image, we can use this GPS technology. Okay, so there are so much application of GPS, and nowadays I have told that is in vehicle also, in order to track vehicle we are using GPS technology in order to find the this velocity of a vehicle, or in order to find the speed of any of the vehicle, we can use this GPS technology extra. So nowadays it is very common technology, and you may be familiar in your mobile phone also there is GPS technology. You can use that technology for traveling purpose. Okay, so nowadays it has so much application. So this is the introduction of this GPS technology. So in short, GPS contain 24 satellites in order to obtain the accurate position on Earth. Okay, and I will put the other portions in the next video. That is, next we have to discuss the different systems of GPS. Thank you.